Initiating lift sequence. Tension is good, good.
Copy that, slow and steady. Watch the east side clearance.
Initiating feed drop sequence. Arm reports clear.
Shark has consumed the portion. Retract arms slowly.
Real-time analysis shows a clear behavioral response to the stimuli.
The correlation between the feeder activation and the vitals is significant.
Check this spot here, slight discoloration.
Noted. Rework required for batch 7.
Position confirmed at level 4.
Solid contact. All clear to secure the load.
Okay, easy now, lift it slowly.
Watch the chains on the left.
Clear to move forward, bring it to the conveyor.
Humidity holding steady at 15%.
Confirmed. Moisture content is optimal for the batch.
The sanding process is critical for evening the shagreen.
Yes, but the polishing stage is where the luster really develops.
From the raw shagreen texture you see here, we can achieve this full spectrum of vibrant.
Batch code 47 Delta, inspection complete. Confirmed on the manifest. Check the stitching here on the dorsal line.
Looks clean.
Looks clean. How's the finish?
We meticulously manage the entire journey, ensuring premium quality at every step, from raw hide to the finished product.
We move it from tanning straight to shaping here.
And the timing for the tanning process remains the same as last quarter.
Okay, pull that one to the right. This stack is ready for Bay 4.
The Q3 output is down significantly here.
Yes, and incidents are up. We need a corrective action plan by Friday.
Agreed. Let's review the new safety protocols now.
We've achieved a perfect matte finish here, contrasting with the high gloss next to it.
The consistency across the samples is impressive.
Lower it slowly, watch the side. Okay, set it down now. Next pallet ready.